Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a very special one for you guys. Today I'll be going over the best website slash spreadsheet to use in 2027, whatever year we're in. Anyways, best website that helps you shop from China, if you know what I mean. Shop from China. I mean, you clicked on this video, you know what I mean. Introducing repsheets.net. This is my personal website and I've been working on it for so long. I've put thousands of dollars into this spreadsheet and I really think it paid off because it looks nice. I've been making this kind of content for 4 years now, so I've kind of been through it all and I know what's good and bad. And I really want to make it easy for you guys and not have you buy trash quality links and stuff, because there are people out there that will fill their spreadsheet with trash quality links that they're paid to put in there. Just letting y'all know, all my links are hand-picked quality sellers and you won't have an issue with quality. Let's open up the spreadsheet. Okay, so here's repsheets.net. Great interface, great website. I love it. I designed it myself. You can thank me. When you first open repsheets.net, it's going to ask you what agent you prefer, because you know, I do not discriminate, you know, so whether you're Oopbuy, kakobuy, hagobuy's not a thing. I do not discriminate whatever agent you're from, you know. You're watching this video, I love you. So you can choose the agent that you use, the one you like the best. I recommend Oopbuy, of course. And then from there on, you have access to the website. So clicking on finds, you can see all my latest finds. I have over 5,000 items on this website. So you're never gonna run out of stuff to buy, I promise you. Let's click on Travis Scott Jordan 1 just because that's a pretty, you know, well-known shoe. 43.42. And then you can click get QC images, click that, and you can see all the QC images that are from this product. You can click on each one and review. Well, who bought a size 4? I'm just realizing someone just bought a size 4 Jordan. But then you click buy on Oopbuy or buy on whatever agent you want. Anyways, you click on it and it just gives you the link. Let's go on to the haul section. If you know my other videos, I make a lot of haul videos and I put all the items I get in my hauls onto this section, so you can like sort by like, oh, I just watched that video. Let me find it on the website, click on it and see what he ordered and find the exact links of the stuff he ordered. But yeah, the haul section, pretty cool, I like it. If you're new to the whole buying from China type thing, you can click on this section and get a whole in-depth tutorial on what to do, create your account, browse products, purchase items, international shipping, etc. And then for QC photos on the last tab, if you want to see any QC images of any specific link, you can just enter the link right there and it'll give you it. You can see what other people searched up, like people looking at whatever this is. I'm not judging. But yeah, this website, it got everything you need. Going back to finds, you can favorite items, you can report them or flag them if like it's a dead link or something. You can sign up with Discord so you can always track the items you favorited. You can click the search arrow on the top right, search whatever you want, filter by recently added, older, price, high, low. Categories, there's like 20 categories. Brands, you can scroll on brands for so long, there's so many brands. I got it all covered just for you guys. I got it all covered. Thank you guys for all your support. Go check out repsheets.net today. I love you guys. If this helped you, you can drop a like and subscribe. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.